Cavallo Distribution Cloud is a sales and order management platform designed specifically for distributors. Distribution Cloud combines the flexibility of a CRM platform with the extensive data found in your ERP, allowing you to process more orders, provide better customer experiences, and maximize profits. Let's take a closer look at Cavallo's Distribution Cloud. First, from the perspective of a customer service representative. As a CSR, you'll often find yourself needing to quickly access customer information while on the phone. Without a system like Distribution Cloud, you'll be left digging through your ERP system through multiple screens and datasets just to find out if an order's been picked up. Simply start by typing in the customer's name or phone number. This brings up a snapshot of the customer, which can be customized to show contact information, account balances, open orders, and even payment terms right at a glance. Clicking through brings up the customer card, which has all the information associated with that customer account. For example, if you have a customer on the phone asking about the status of an order, just look in the Open Documents tab. You'll quickly see that they have 1 order and 2 invoices active. You can click on the drop-down arrow of the order to bring up information such as the items and quantities. In the Queue column, you'll see that this order is in picking, which you can relay to the customer. Another example of what a customer might ask is what products they ordered in the past year. To access that, simply click on the Products tab. The Products tab shows all of the items ever sold to this customer. Additionally, expanding a section shows you even more related information. You can see we've sold this Athens desk 4 times this year in quantities of 5, 10, 8, and 6. So in just a few clicks, you have immediate access to all the information you need. No digging through different systems or hunting down orders. Distribution Cloud increases your efficiency and creates amazing customer experiences. Next, let's take a look at how a warehouse manager can utilize Distribution Cloud to better manage their team. What you see now is Mission Control. Mission Control is basically a snapshot in time of everything going on in the business. Right now, we're looking at our order workflow, which shows how orders flow through our system. As a warehouse manager, you might not be directly responsible for what sales and finance are doing, so you can toggle off the new order and invoice queues to stay focused just on the warehouse. As orders flow through, you'll see them populate in the center of the screen. Just like before with the customer search, you get a snapshot of the most important details. You can see order and PO numbers, document dates, cost, revenue, and margin amounts right at a glance. 2 very powerful features of Mission Control are the Products and Related Documents column. Simply hovering over the product quantity brings up all the items associated with that order. Same for the Related Documents. Hovering over the 3 Related Documents icon shows that we've already partially shipped and invoiced this order for $40,000. If you ever need more information, you can always click through to bring up quotes or other document details. In summary, Mission Control lets you clearly see the state of your business and better plan for what's coming down the pipeline. Finally, let's take a look at how a business owner or executive can use Distribution Cloud to increase profits. If you aren't using Distribution Cloud, you probably find yourself spending a lot of time managing margins. But doing this manually can be exhausting and error-prone. Distribution Cloud makes margin control easy with robust workflow capabilities. First, let's take a look at our workflows. We have 4 workflows set up for the business: orders, invoices, returns, and quotes. Our order workflow is what we saw in action earlier when we looked at Mission Control. For example, let's say that this workflow has been working well, but there have recently been a few low-margin orders getting through. No need to check this manually. You can create a business rule for this. You'll see that we've set up 2 business rules for this workflow: a gross margin check and credit limit. If we take a closer look, you can see we've set it up to trigger if the margin is below 15% for every queue. Once triggered, it will need to be approved by Alex or a sales manager. So now let's go back to Mission Control to see how this works in action. Right at the top, you'll see 4 documents that need approval, 2 being flagged because of a margin violation, and the other 2 from a credit limit. At a glance, you'll see it has a negative 16% margin, but let's dive in further to review it. By opening up the margin approval section, we can read a comment from the salesperson saying that this price came from a larger agreement. Since this was intentional, we can approve it by clicking the checkbox and then selecting a reason code. Once we save it, we'll get an alert that it's been approved, and it will automatically move to the next stage in the workflow. In this case, it's still being caught by the credit limit exceeded rule, so the AR team needs to take a look at it before it goes any further. What you've seen today of Distribution Cloud is just the beginning. With Cavallo's Distribution Cloud, you'll gain a new level of control for every part of your business. Fast order entry, complete customer management, and unmatched visibility lets you increase your profits and deliver exceptional experiences to your customers. To learn more about Distribution Cloud or to schedule a one-on-one demo, give us a call at 800-935-5660 or visit cavallo.com.